Hey, Jeff Yenser, Vibrant Health Researcher. Today I want to share with you the miracle of movement. Now, doesn't the word exercise just conjure up images of fear and dread in some people's mind? Maybe they exercised vigorously and woke up really sore the next day and, oh, my aching muscles, I'm not doing that again. Or maybe you paid big bucks for a gym membership, used it for 2 weeks, and that was it. You made a resolution to lose weight and get in shape. That's my resolution, and there you have a closet full of exercise equipment just sitting there ready for the next yard sale. Now, we all know about the amazing benefits of exercise, as they call it. I prefer to call it movement. And what I'm suggesting is simply move your body. Park your car a little bit further away and walk that extra distance. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Choose a simple, easy exercise routine that doesn't make you sore. There's no reason to over-exercise. In fact, studies show if you exercise too aggressively, you actually can weaken your immune system and become more tired. The real benefits are with just modest exercise. Simply walking a little bit further. Take up a simple yoga stretching routine, easy aerobics class, a little bit of swimming. Don't overtax yourself. We've all heard about the amazing benefits of moving your body, or exercise as they call it. Improving your mood, extending your lifespan, improving your oxygen usage. The best thing in my mind that stands out about moving your body is it boosts your energy. When I get onto a consistent moving my body regime, I feel better, I have more energy, I'm more buoyant. So this has been your energy tip for the day. Just move your body, whatever it takes. You're watching TV at night, sitting there, a commercial comes on, get up, walk out the front door, around your house, and back in the back door. That little bit will add up over time, and you'll be getting a movement in your body. You'll be feeling better, you'll get more oxygen to your tissues, and it'll be wonderful. So for more energy tips, go to my website, realenergy.us. There's loads of free videos and tips there. Go on and get the stuff and read up on how to boost your energy in everyday life. Jeff Yenser, Vibrant Health Researcher. Thanks for watching.